if we want to start off by folding it over, make a loop out of it, bring the end through from the bottom to the top, and then begin to make multiple loops around the original loop. After you're done with this, pull out either side of it and then adjust the center of it. That is, pull it more down. Now pull the end of it through and then bring it out through the other loop that is present. In the new loop that is created, twist this to begin with and then push the end through it. Tighten it and then you should be done with. Next, we'll start off by taking our drawstring, wrap it around the finger, wrap it around at the top as such, and then bring the end of it through the loop that you have created. After this, a new loop must still be present. Continue on and bring this thread or this drawstring through it. At the bottom, a new loop should be created, and now this is an endless cycle. Continue on and do this until you reach the middle or the end section of this. Once you are done with it, tighten it ever so slightly and adjust the sides in order to make it all the more pronounced. This will be the final look of it. Next, take your coral colored and then wrap this around your finger. Wrap it around the finger multiple times, and then once you feel it is thick enough, taking the hole that is present, take the eaglet, or rather take the drawstring end and then bring it from the bottom to the top as such. Continue to make rounds around it and then pull it through the center in order to make it stay. Next, we will take our loop and then bring it up through the top as such. Now, make a dot out of it on all of the sides. However, do not pull it all the way through. Leave it as a loop and now pull the end through it. Now, continue on and pull the sides out as such. This will be the final look of your bow-like design. Next, take the drawstrings and now fold it over from the bottom to the top almost into half. You may make 2 layers of this. Now, once you reach the center, take the other end of it or the other section of it and begin to wrap it around this. Now, take one of the ends, pull it through, do the same with the other, and now this should fasten it in its place. Pull both of the bow sections outwards. Next, wrap it around a pencil multiple times, and now once you've done this sufficiently so, take the end of it and now pull it through. This way you may tie a knot out of it and also it will stand firm as such. Thank you for watching.